How to fix compile error in hidden module in Microsoft Excel. So the first method is starting Excel in safe mode. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press the Windows key and R at the same time. And then we're gonna do Excel /save and then click OK. If Excel opens without the error, an add-in is likely causing the problem, because this is literally just launching Excel without any add-ins. Method 2 is to disable Excel add-ins. Simply open Excel, go to the file, and then in the bottom left corner of the screen you're gonna see options. Click that, go to add-ins, and make sure you uncheck all add-ins and then restart Excel. I don't have any add-ins right now. Method 3 is to repair Microsoft Office. Go to the control panel, then go to programs and features. Here, uninstall a program. Here go Microsoft 365. Let's click change and then choose quick repair and repair it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.